Hey guys, welcome back to Tip Tuesday. My name is Matthew Sturkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to talk about tips for timber roof systems and which timber roof system best fits your design. So what you're seeing behind me is a timber truss with what we call a mortise and tenon collar, a tongue and fork peak. It's a half lap truss, what we call timber frame truss. And this timber truss works very well with 1-story and 2-story plans, mainly because there is no ridge beam, it's 2 rafters and a collar tie, and it's a ridgeless roof system, so there's no ridge support. It works very well when you're doing a design, an open floor plan, and you're trying to clear span a room without a support post in the middle. If you're doing a 1.5 stories and you've got a floor system below that you can directly support a ridge support. We have another roof system called a ridge and rafter system, which is a structural ridge beam, a structural ridge support, and then rafters. The collar ties basically are just decorative at that point if you want them. But that roof system works very well in a 1.5 stories type design, or when there's some type of direct support, a floor system, or a point load location where you can directly support that ridge. So a couple of different roof system options. You can do other types of truss systems with plates and bolts if you like that metal hardware. So the tip of the day is to figure out your design and then consult with us on which particular roof system would best fit your design, and then we can provide estimating for you on which direction to go. So hope this has been helpful. Please don't hesitate to call us if you have questions about timber roof systems or what options are available. We'll be happy to help you. We look forward to having you join us for Tip Tuesday next week. In the meantime, stay safe and healthy. We'll see you next week. Take care.